SUREALONG was founded in 2010 July, is specialized in manufacturing all kinds of precision metal fabrication, including stamping parts, CNC bending parts, punching parts, deep drawing parts, CNC machining parts, laser cutting parts, laser welding parts, accordingly clients' drawings and specifications. For the product's scope, we involved customized precision metal products, metal brackets, hardware, heavy-duty brackets, floating shelf brackets, L-shaped brackets, decorative brackets, angle brackets, bike rack, furniture legs, table legs, joist hangers, nail plate, multi-grips, triple grips, coil strapping, hurricane ties, foil tacks, cable management tray, garden hardware, pergola brackets, mailbox, etc. We have excellent teams who focus on product development, design, quality control, inspection, and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, ISO 9001. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got ROS CE certification. Our tenet is to build strategy cooperation with customers by the trust relationship. We strive to provide our customers with high level of communication and business partnership. Our team of carefully selected experts and engineers fulfills each project with responsibility and dedication. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. We welcome to visit the manufactory and establish long-term strategic cooperation.